Hey everyone, welcome back to the Day by Improvement channel. Today we're diving into an incredible success story, Ujaas Energy. If you had invested just Rs 10,000 in this stock on November 2nd, 2023, your investment would be worth a whopping Rs 28 lakh today. Let's break down how this happened. Ujaas Energy Limited is a key player in India's renewable energy sector, specializing in solar power solutions. They offer a wide range of services from the design and engineering to the full construction and maintenance of solar power plants. They've secured some impressive orders recently, including a 6 MW solar project for the Electricity Department of Daman, and Diu, a 10 MW EPC project in West Bengal, a 9 MW project for Oil India Limited in Jaisalmer, and a 5 MW rooftop project in Madhya Pradesh. Plus, they've been recognized in Forbes India's list of India's fastest growing companies. That's some serious credibility right there. Led by joint managing directors Vikalp Mundra and Anurag Mundra, Ujaas Energy has seen tremendous growth. Now let's talk numbers. Market capitalization stands at Rs1 433.39 crore with an enterprise value of Rs1 511.19 crore. Their revenue for the trailing 12 months is Rs2 351.19 crore and net income is Rs 133.19 crore with an EPS of Rs 10. 19 and a PE ratio of 22.19, things are looking solid. They also offer a dividend yield of 0.50% and maintain a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.53, with a current ratio of 1.31. Their return on equity is 14.19%, and return on assets is 6.19%. The shareholding pattern is interesting too. Promoters hold 54.19%, institutions hold 21.19%, and the public holds 24.62%. Remember, these numbers can change, so always check the latest financials and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And there you have it. The intrinsic value of Ujaas Energy is estimated at Rs 14.62. They're not just about solar power, they're also into electric vehicles. If you found this analysis interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon with another exciting company deep dive. Bye-bye.